I want it to last. Yeah, I get this feeling. Yeah, I swear. Come on. I want it to last. The boy Cash. Yeah, I get this feeling inside. See, I try to disguise it, but ain't no reason to lie. Misdemeanors and crime, I'm still appeasing with trial. Promise I'll never hurt your hand, I'll be keeping my vow. And I'm pleased by your smile, and I hope that you know that when the bag comes around, never let go, cause we go back. Just know that we drove past every situation there is. I miss you, babe, I can smell your fragrance, hear it. I hold it together, half of your heart, and back at the start. It was only you ahead in my arms, you and your passionate star, shining, burning at night. Try to hold on, cause I know I hit this perfectly right. How these words can be like a spark that ignites what we share in the bad, just a part to this fight for you. And I don't even know if you notice, but it's you that slowly put me back in focus. Yeah, I get this feeling. I swear. Yeah, I want it to last. Yeah.